This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW apps, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, air conditioning, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.